During a brief address, the leader of the Islamic movement in Nigeria, Sheikh Alzakzaky, expressed his condolences to the families of the martyrs of the December 2015 Zaria massacre, asking them to accept the will of God. There are mothers who've lost children, wives who lost their spouses, and men who have also lost their loved ones.
We invited some of the families of the martyrs to condole them and condole ourselves on what has happened about 6 years ago, or exactly 6 years ago, I might say, and also to give courage to inshallah.
Sheikh Alzakzaky gave the families of the martyrs of the December 2015 Zaria massacre shields to keep to remember their loved ones. Sheikh Alzakzaky and his wife Zinat have lost their 6 sons, 3 of whom were killed during the December 2015 massacre.
I'm part of the Shuhada family also, so we are condoling ourselves. That massacre can never be forgotten. It has a landmark in the history, and it should be ever remembered all the time, but particularly during the occasion of during April, December.
In December 2015, Nigerian army troops attacked Sheikh Alzakzaky's residence and a place of worship belonging to the Islamic movement in Nigeria, killing over 340 of his supporters. In less than 2 weeks from now, the Islamic movement in Nigeria will mark the 6th anniversary of the 2015 Zaria massacre. Remembering the massacre has become an annual event. We are members, remember and pray for hundreds who have been murdered and hundreds others who have been injured by security forces. Danjuma Abdullahi,